Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your profile on X, popularly known as Twitter. Some of the things you will be able to do here is changing your name, editing or changing your profile image. I will also show you how you can edit your bio information. To get started, tap on your profile picture that is on the top left hand side of your account. Now from here you can see the first function called profile. Tap on it. So for you to be able to edit your profile information, tap on edit profile. You can change your header photo by either choosing one from the gallery or taking a photo. You can also choose to change your profile picture, and from here you can also choose to take a direct photo or select from an existing photo that you have saved on your gallery. You can also go ahead and change your name. Remember, this is not your username. This is a name that appears top on your profile, but underneath it we have your username that begins with @ So you can go ahead and change your name if you so wish by simply tapping on it and making the edits as you wish. You can also go ahead and change your bio and to what you wish. And once you have done, you can also go ahead even and select your location. When you are given this option, you can go ahead and choose your country according to where you are. If you have a website that you wish to link to your profile, you can go ahead and give the URL. You can also go ahead and give your details of birth information, and from here you'll be able to choose the month, the date, and the year when you are born. Once you are done, go ahead and tap on save and your changes will be saved. As you can see, the save function is on the top right corner of your screen to save the changes that you have just made. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.